So just like in Home Alone, when time Kevin did actually see the lady in the park with this all like pigeon them and feed them. So we end up buck one back in a real life. A lady have tons of feed and feed birds and thing right on 5th Avenue and Central Park. Oh my word, it's beautiful. Wow. Oh my word. Look at this. Just like in Home Alone. You remind me of the lady from Home Alone. In Home Alone 2.
They don't come out at nighttime.
Yeah. Oh my word. So, yeah. Woo! Beautiful. Yeah, massive. No joke, no doubt. Yo, trust me. So big up and respect to all my Jamaica Walk By Massive and everybody in the reach of my voice right now who are going to hear this this audio, who are going to see this picture. You don't know, this is Jamaica Walk By. My name is Fabian and welcome to my channel. You know what I mean? In this video, as you see the title, I am going to be walking the entire stretch of 5th Avenue in Manhattan. You understand? As you can see behind me right here is 5th Avenue going all the way up there. So we are at the end of the Central Park right there. So as you can see over there, this is 5th Avenue and you have East 74th Street. We are going over the road and we're going to walk all the way up where you're going to see all the commercial buildings, just like the Mac buildings with the Apple building. You don't know, the Plaza Hotel will be on the right, and all of the buildings and the high-tech stores and all of the high fashion stores, everybody is up that way. And we're gonna walk the entire thing. It's gonna be a long video, it's gonna be a long walk, but you don't know, we're gonna represent for Jamaica and we can do all things, you see me? And the channel is Jamaica Walk By, so it's like a Jamaican, a walk by whole world, and I link up with Jamaicans and bathing. So if you just join, please may I ask you right now if you start like the video, may I wait? Me have a bird lady over here, so I go and raise them. May I wait? Please, me I beg gonna start like the video and thing, you see me? May I wait?
Like the video.
Yeah, you hear what General say? Like the video. Marty. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. So, please like the video. So I say, wanna do it? Alright, start drop some comment if you've not been to Manhattan before and let's do the walk. So blessings and love. So let me stress this and make it be very important. So all the massive who just subscribe to Jamaica Walk By, please I'm asking you to turn on your notification right now. Turn on the notification. Say subscribe. Look right at the subscribe button where you see it is, and you're gonna see an arrow right beside it. Press the arrow and select all. Listen, if you don't press all, you're not gonna be notified when Jamaica Walk By posts, and I really needed to be notified when I post a video. You understand? So in that said, listen, it's how YouTube said, if you don't turn it on, you're not gonna get the video, and I needed to get it. So I'm not posting that much, just long videos and live I go. So your phone now gonna get blew up and be annoyed by my notifications. See? So blessings and respect, and let's go walk 5th Avenue in Manhattan. Look good. Look good. Manhattan, New York. Let's do this now, man. Look good now, man. Right, see it there? So figure that. So it's gonna be beautiful. So yeah, let's do this. So alright, time for walk. So let's cross the street. I'm gonna do it on the other side. Yeah. So just to let you see where I'm at, look, this is it. So it's 5th Avenue, Upper East Side Historical District. That's where we're walking from, and we're going all the way up there. Are you ready? Let's do this the right way. See? Blessings and respect. Let's go. So it's not a narrating video. It is not a narrating video. We're just gonna show the natural vibe of 5th Avenue. So we're gonna see exactly what it looks like and all of that, which is a vibe and thing. So please don't quote me and tell me say, oh me know talk about the history. I do not know the history of most of these places, and I don't want to be incorrect. So you can just watch, look, and understand what I go on. If there's something special when we can talk about me, talk about it. If not, we just leave it alone. You see me? No joke, no doubt. Let's go. So as me walk, the least me can do, I actually tell the street when me actually dip on. You see me I say? Yeah. Alright. So we are walk on 5th Avenue. All heap of maintenance work. Go on. Yeah. So we're really on the outskirts of 5th Avenue. We are down by Central Park, heading all the way up. So now ready? Ready. So we just reach up to East 72nd Street. This is it, right here. Going all the way across there. Right. Alright. Let's wait for the light. Shit. Let's check if this one is automatic. Oh yeah, the one is automatic, so we wait. So we wait. Alright. Alright, so over on that side, they don't know it's Central Park. You can join the park right here and go run, walk, exercise, you name it. Any one of them. Get in shape. So 5th Avenue, let's go. So east, we're at East 71st Street. This is East 71st Street as we make our way up or down. Yes, Godfather, bless up. Good day. Here we are at 70. We are at 70 East 70th Street down there. And we are move. I go up some blocks. Yeah, that's the sign. Mad place well labeled, you know. Let's go. So if you're just joining, please I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. Please I'm asking you to turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Saying please like the video once you watch it. So we just passed East 69th Street and we're moving. Alright, so this is 68. 68. Man. You see him? Yeah. Bird. Man. Just I take a shower, you know? Bird just I take a shower. Like, I say, what I did? Just I watch me a beard. Bird, I say, I wash my beard. Not do that. This is, don't know, 67 East 67th Street. Going. This is 66. This is 66. I know down this part you can see a green vegetation. Place just cool and nice, free AC outside and all of the good things. Yeah. So this is E66 Street. Man. Beautiful. We're moving along. Big stone them are right as well. As decoration. Yeah, so we are 65 you know, East 65th Street. Yeah. So now we'll cross. Traffic. Like that. So we just passed 64 and we are heading up to 63rd. So we are heading up to 63rd Street. We just passed 64 East 64th Street on 5th Avenue if you just join in. Yeah, we are making our way up. So this video is all about 5th Avenue in Manhattan, New York, and we are walking the entire thing, and we're off to a great start, man. So this is East 63rd Street. So this is East 61st Street on 5th Avenue. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. So East 63rd Street. Alright, so alright, let's take a look over here. So right now we are standing up, as you can look center camera. That's the Plaza Hotel. Yeah, and the skinny skyscraper up there, as you can see. Wow. So wow. So we are going by this park here right in front of the Plaza Hotel to show you what over here looks like, and then we're gonna get right back on 5th Avenue that direction. See? Yeah.
Yeah, with this music playing. Sì, tiralo per il campo.
Souvenirs and things. Like this. Beautiful.
Yeah, because we have it.
So you can actually enter the park, Central Park, from here. And you don't know, you have them man that will ride them bicycle and tour you through the park. Where you just pay if you do it. You have the arts, the carriage them on the side there. I'm just gonna have to watch the Central Park video to see what it looks like. You know what I mean? So you can actually enter the park from this direction too as well. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Go good. Alright, so we are going to show you the front of the Plaza Hotel. Sorry. So you can rent bicycle here to ride through the park. You know, some of them have gear and thing, and you can ride them bike through the park. You just rent it right here, so I'm going to lead. Yeah. You also have the where you can have 2 persons riding at the same time, and you also have electric bikes too as well. I don't know food galore where you can get and thing. Before you start. So yeah, so the park is that direction there, and we're gonna go back on 5th Avenue. But before, I'm gonna show you the Plaza Hotel. You can get pastry. You can get pastry here, cakes, tea, you name it, juice, water, all the good stuff. This looks like Jasmine Central Park slushies, you know what I mean? You can get slushies and fruit juices and things over here. Yeah.
No.
And bless up, respect. You can get your pictures cartoonified as well. You're the artist for these?
Yes.
Wonderful. Do you have an Instagram page? You can give a shout out? Wow, these are beautiful. Great work. So can you tell me the name of the actors here? Who we have over here? Who we have here? Who is the person?
Paulo.
Paulo. And this guy, do you know all of them? Who is there?
No, no.
Oh.
Photograph.
Okay. Wow. I know Bob Marley. Don't know if we icon this Bob Marley. One Love. You know over here so you have Clint Eastwood. Don't know Einstein. Few more superstar. I don't know great Mr. Bean. That is it.
Thank you.
Bless up.
Thank you for YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice. Wow. Do you have an Instagram? Wow. So you can get all these things right here in front of Central Park. Just come to the Plaza Hotel, you can't miss it. Right across on 5th Avenue. Wow.
Happy holiday.
Beautiful. Beautiful. One Love.
Thank you.
This is the famous Plaza Hotel in Manhattan. So if you watch the movie Home Alone 2 when he got stranded in New York, he booked this hotel, which is a 5-star hotel in Manhattan to stay at, which is the Plaza Hotel. And the show pretty much take place at the Plaza Hotel. It was crazy. So it's just a great feeling to know that we can stand up right here. So now seeing the Plaza Hotel out of my own eyes. You understand? Being that I loved the show so much. You understand? It is actually my favorite movie of all times. Home Alone 2. And this is the hotel, the Plaza, New York. Mad thing. So if you don't watch Home Alone 2 massive, you don't know what's going on, you know the vibe. Yeah, look how the place beautiful. Super beautiful. Oh my word. So yeah, this building is an iconic building for me because I love the Home Alone series franchise so much. The Plaza Hotel, look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I don't know this walk is all about 5th Avenue. So let's go back over on 5th Avenue. Mad thing, big up Kevin. Alright, so whole statue in Manhattan. Let's see who this is. Grand Army Plaza. Look at this. Wow. To General Williams. William. Can't pronounce the last that name there. Whole statue. Yeah. Man, this statue is well done. Very detailed. No joke. Very detailed. Wow. Mad thing. So let's see the sign. Guess the sign. See. Greetings. Mad thing. So we're going back on 5th Avenue. All about the Mac store. Oh my word, the Apple store. Beautiful. And the entire place on this side is just amazing. You know, they have a place where persons sit down just chilling. Out here is just cool. It is just very beautiful place. Look at the type of seats. The type of seats, yeah. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Apple building. Wow. The outside is just glass and the apple is in there. And this beautiful thing here where you're going to see me now is actually the elevator. This is actually the elevator. Beautiful. And then look inside the store. Inside the store. Wow. Beautiful. That is it, we're outside. Apple store. So beautiful. mad thing. Wow. Alright. I'm not sure if I can walk in there and film, but let's see. But you really want to get the experience. Let's see. Them things are one in a lifetime chance. So gotta do it like this, man. Wow. That's where we're coming from. Up there. Wow. The illusion with the glass just make it incredible. Look. Up above. The illusion we create. Yeah, straight up the stair. It's beautiful. And all of this is underground.
600.
All of this is underground. Oh my word. It's beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. So the entire thing is underground. There's an upper product. Wow.
You have to do all three and see the shot.
I'm doing well.
You laughing, but
I just enjoyed it.
Okay. But this is how the Apple Store is set up. Wow, it's beautiful. Really beautiful. Hey. These. So if you want to test the Apple Pro, you can. The Apple Pro. The Vision Pro. Oh my word. Incredible. Boy, I mean, I love to have one of them, the Vision Pro. Like, damn. Which rich subscriber may have? Let me talk low. Which rich subscriber may have who want to buy Jamaica walk by one Vision Pro? Like, who wants to buy Jamaica walk by a Vision Pro? Oh my word. This is crazy. I love Apple product. Oh my word. Yeah. Why is an iPhone 12 me have? I love it. It's beautiful. You know what I mean? Beautiful. So all them can ride the elevator, go up so they can see inside of it. Walk the step, come down. How does it work? Oh, you can't even see the button. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I pressed it. Oh, here's my mirror. I want to see what inside of it looks like. Oh, that's what it looks like. Oh, the roof is glass. The roof is glass.
Vire à direita na Este 59 TH Street.
Wow. Wow. Right up to the apple. How cool is that? Nice. Wow. So that was an experience. Apple store. Man. Wow. Bless up. So we are on East 58th Street. Oh, when can we go? So this is here on East 58th Street. Martin. East 58th Street. Man.
Oh, behind.
Yeah, it's okay, man.
E o cara andando só de uma roda. Andando com a roda.
Nem tem a outra roda. Ah, lógico.
Conhece?
Siya nito.
Tulsi ang Cabana. Man. Fifth Avenue massive. If you're a brand name, that avenue where you're on. All of the name brand. All of the everything. I saw them there. Fifth Avenue. I tell you.
Or like an Earth Cafe you order and you sit.
Because in order to get
How this man?
Yo, you on camera already?
Hey, you mean me at work?
Yo, I want people.
Massive.
Yo.
Jason. From Jason and Gina. You find me, you reach me
Well,
quick,
yeah,
I'm here to
man.
tap up a step.
I looked at my phone, I'm like, oh, he right here.
Lord. So Massive, see me. And me and him are going to kick it for the whole of the weekend.
Yes, family.
Straight till Monday. Look good. Hey, come. I
Look
say,
good,
I
no
work
man.
clean. Look good, no man. Look there, no man.
No, man.
Wait. I know you look like what, 17? Eh?
Old
You
man.
graduated last year?
Yeah, last year.
What's
12th
your
grade, 12th
blouse
grade.
are scared up? Lexi, who this?
You on live?
Yeah.
No, this not live.
Lexi, who this?
Wow, it's live?
No, but I
okay.
pre-record, but watch my own video them.
Yes, sir.
Lexi, who this?
Come now, let's walk.
Yo,
Man.
John was like, yo, give me a minute, me look for you, man. Watch your man. Him go all under them here. So you know, say I walk
I
on a
already know
float.
you're clean,
What
man.
you mean? You know, if you know, man.
Clean,
We not ready, man. Touch me now, man.
Yo.
Man, that's our respect,
You
yes, sir.
ready.
One love.
You
Bro,
ready.
I in person, you look like little boy. In person, you look like little boy. How come you're sweating like cool?
It's hot, man.
Which
You know
one?
how long I walk.
I see me a
From like
walking up.
30th Street.
Just not see me a walking
You're a
up.
madman. Yo,
Oh my God, feel like this a place.
West 30th Street.
Oh my word. Look good. Oh my word.
Walk on, brother.
Yes, sir. Blows and so see. Oh, but you just left work and thing. You think you can done? You think you can done?
Boss, man.
Finish all I walk. Jesus Christ, come here going like
Tell me
chump,
where
you
you
know.
wanna start.
Start already. So you see how far me start. Now which I'm in the live and I have some reach now. So reach right now, let me see. We are going up to, come on map, don't bother with it. Alright, so we are pull up on East 54th Street right about now. On 5th Avenue.
Shut up,
You know what I mean? Yes, so we are going to Chum Tower too. As soon as we reach, we're going there. So, we passed the Chum Tower a while ago?
It's Bonabucci.
You can't believe me pass
Yeah,
it.
you passed it already.
No man, I go back in there.
Come on, let's go.
I didn't realize I pass it so fast. Oh my word.
Why you looking at your phone?
Yeah, probably. Massive now, I have to turn back.
Let's
We have to
see.
go. That is it. We have to go in there Chum Tower. I didn't realize I passed it a while ago. Because on the live, you know, we go in there, but now I have to show them in there in a 4K style. So if you don't watch my live the other day when me da walk a little bit of the stretcher, I don't see me going to Chum Tower, but no man, I don't have seen a Chum Tower. I didn't realize I'm pass it.
Sir.
Just like a search for it on the map and I say, where there? Can't pass it. But after going to Chum Tower, I'm gonna see the Chum Tower. Oh, inside that pretty. Gold plated and be things. Well, probably real gold too, you know. Could be. Because the man have money. Yeah, the man have money, so are we real gold? As a matter of fact, I don't have to say nothing. But now wait till I see inside of the place. Super beautiful. So I say me I walk with. Yes, man. You never realize I'm a boss. Oh no. So me I go right back there. Watch machine over there, so look good now, man. Look in front of you. Cherry red.
Oh.
That is it. Super car.
That's a Ferrari.
Cherry red. You must say,
Ferrari.
look good.
Morning.
I'm on nothing. Them there enough. Look good. Mad thing. You need to have to wind up because you want me now, no? Free AC out the door. Beautiful. That's a lovely car. Man. Ferrari, you know, man.
That's what we call in New York stunting.
And that do some of that. Just to drive it.
Yes.
And feel it, brother.
You drive stick
Oh, you mean?
for the island.
Exactly. Jamaica, bro. Remember me all in so. We are gonna have it. I can't believe me pass it.
Look. No, no problem right there.
John, I didn't realize, you know. So massive, look good. I end up having to reach back at the Chum Tower. Yeah. So see it there. If someone did watch the live, you'd have see inside that in a 1080, but we are going there now in a 4K style. I'm gonna see the real beauty at the Chum Tower. Let's go inside here. Let's see.
Do it.
Show me what it looks like. The Chum Tower.
Come.
Alright. Man.
Your hand full of.
Oh my word, massive. Look good. I'm not taking no time to take a look. So, you don't know the Gucci store
Rich.
actually have a glass right there so we can see. Why Jason, I tell you? What a beauty. Look, Trump Tower. I want to take a moment to look on riches. When I come out here, I actually want to feel rich, be rich. In love, wealth, health, one bunch of things. Oh my word, it's beautiful. Oh my word. So what I realize is most of the walls and stuff are gold plated. Right now if you look at me in the glass, I'm gold plated.
Shining.
Look at me and Jason, we're gold plated. Look good.
Look good, no man.
Gold plated. Gina, where there?
Yo, she waiting for you.
Lord Jesus. So look good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Trump Tower, TT.
Mad. So I asked the person who worked here and he said, them elevator they go to the commercial building.
Yes.
Yeah, so
And then
that's
they
great.
have residential where people live in here.
Yeah, cause Trump did live here, man.
Yeah, this is his home. One of them.
Imagine me can be so rich and me open my home. Oh my word.
45.
Look good. Look good. Marty. In a 4K style and all. Look good. Beautiful. Look on the elevator. Gold. I never did go upstairs. We see which shot this I go, so we are going to make a little look inside here. At least today, I don't hear Trump attack. I don't want to hear on the intercom attack. Mad.
Go down the elevator.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Cool.
The place.
Oh, I know.
You are beautiful too.
Oh, thank
Don't get it
you.
wrong.
I'm 64.
Don't tell nobody else.
That's right. Thank you.
Mad thing. Look good.
45.
Wow.
So they got Trump Cafe, street, grill,
Man, look there. 45 wine and whiskey lobby. Alright, tell them what we are going to do. I never did go upstairs. You know, I show them downstairs and they will just come around and go. So, we'll go down to the cafe. Right?
okay, Trump.
I could show you what downstairs look like. So, him also have merch too. See the merch them there? The Trump merch. Marty. Look there. We're going to ride on the gold elevator. Look good now, man. Escalator, right?
Yeah, that's clear.
Gold escalator. Look good. Now let's sit down. Just hold on. Just sit down. Sit down on the Look good. Sit down on the gold escalator. Man,
Sit down. You gotta
that's
stand
rich.
up, brother.
That's rich.
Yeah, you gotta.
That's rich. That's rich. That's rich. Oh my word. We're walking on gold. Blessings and respect. That is it. Yeah. So this is the Trump store. Oh my word. So the Trump store. Yeah. This is the Trump store. So some of the stuff them that he has in there. So yeah. This is the Trump store. Why you smell it, Rich?
Mm-hmm.
Change some peace. Quick look around, I'm gonna see. So some books. I don't know what have over here. So what am I? T-shirt, Jason?
Yeah, t-shirt.
T-shirt.
You got.
Water bottle.
Mm-hmm.
Different colors and thing. Look good. Alright, we have over here. So these look like wallets, your cards and thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all them
Things
chunk.
for the grill.
Mad. Yeah. Over here, so you got like
Shirts.
shirts.
Nice shirts.
Yeah.
Shorts.
Mad. Oh,
Yeah,
rich shots. Mad, see? Some more water bottles and thing. In the trunk. You know, we just have to do a quick video just to go through what's in there. Look good. Them have teacup, you don't know, and them mark Trump, New York. These 10. Even glasses though.
Yeah, that's
Mad thing. Look good now, man.
yeah.
Few little jewelry too as well.
Boss City jackets.
We call them city jackets.
This one is sweaters. So you got some
Sweater.
sweaters over there.
And this our same thing.
Same thing, sweaters
Sweater.
over there. The Boss City.
Man. How them man? Trump chocolate?
Yeah, it look like it.
Yeah.
Rich chocolate.
Plated with gold. Good day. You have some teddy bear and thing. I mean, shirt. Trump, New York.
This is for the
And
kids.
oh yeah, can't leave out the kids them at all. Yeah, no joke. So yeah, quick look at synopsis. I know the chum store, even bed slippers and thing. Jars, cups.
Look,
Yeah.
football up there.
Watch out, a Trump football. Man, thing. Yeah. Quick look at move through. Look good. Man. So, we're rolling out. See all the famous at them, you know, I'm always aware at them. Yeah. Man. Alright, so that's a quick little move through of the store. I don't know, cafe out or something, no sir. Catch your sign. Have to catch your sign. Man. What? Pizza. Meat lover, they look good still enough. Yeah, they don't look bad at all. You understand? Beverage, you don't know you can get them juice anyway. Aye. So the cafe up and running. Cafe up and running. Very good. Chicken, bacon, clean. Man. And this is what they have in the cafe. A mad thing. So we're going upstairs. Let's go. I have an next spot over here. What's over here? Oh, Trump Sweets. Man, it's nice. Wow. Trump Sweets.
Chocolate, candy, ice cream.
That's fine. Wow. Alright, she said the clothes. So, yeah man, what on the Trump grill?
Oh, they got a grill. Oh, that's closed.
Grill is closed. Yeah, we can ride back the golden escalator. Watch your step, watch your step, watch your step. Come on, let's go.
Let's do this.
Hey, I had something for Jamaica there. That's it there? Gold plated escalator. Man. Watch your steps. You can't say I never walk it. Wonder what's upstairs. We'll just make a look quick look up the next floor before we continue. I don't know. You see? No scrollers, perimeter, and escalator. Please use elevator. So, let's go. Smooth. This is so beautiful. Really beautiful. Wow. Oh, almost reach. Yo. Then turn off. The last time we did, when we did it on the live up here, so I did close. So at least at the first we get to see up at this side. So it's actually another cafe or something it look like. Yeah. That's what it looks like. Oh. That's it? Italian or in town.
Italian.
Okay. It's beautiful. Wow. Different perspective. Look at that. Amazing. One Jamaica walk by in America. Outside. Beautiful. That is it, man. Yeah, you don't know, we're there with Jason.
Yeah, man.
From Jason and Gina. Just
One and a half.
So I'm going to explore the thing. See me? Yeah.
Found the wire.
Yeah. Just after my iPhone.
I got an extra one.
Alright. Don't see as we go back. Bless up, respect, Jamaica. Yeah.
Nice.
So massive, the Trump Tower. That was a great look of vibe, a great look of look and thing. Walking on 5th Avenue. So we are going to continue 5th Avenue. I know we are going the direction where it will get less. Man. Respect Jason. Alright. So we're outside again.
Outside.
Yeah. So
How far 5th Avenue?
just a walk till we're dead. Alright.
So I can show you some things now.
What you mean? So yeah. So which one reach again now? When we there? One more.
56.
You know it like your book your head.
You ain't gotta.
So
You ain't gotta watch your phone no more.
where's that? Where's that? You there now?
I'm here, bro. No need to watch your phone.
So we just passed East 56th Street and we are going to 55th. So you said?
Yes, sir. We're going to all the way down to 42nd, maybe 34th, and then we hop on a train.
Right. So when we finish, you know the thing. So man put away phone. So this is us. A mad thing. So what want to say about the Trump Tower? Was it beautiful? Or was the experience inside of it? The experience for me was out of this world the first time I went in there.
The gold is amazing.
Yeah,
Mango.
man.
The mango.
The quantity of fashion. Damn.
Rich.
Oh my god, sorry mom. Like,
Yeah, that's fine. So this is 55th Street.
55th and 5th.
55th and 5th. Man.
That's St. Regis. This is a famous hotel. Very old.
Very old.
In movies and everything too.
St. Regis. That is it. I want to go in, I think I want to the cathedral them to the museum one on the left up going up. You know that one?
The big one over here.
Yeah, it's like a church or
When I was
something.
walking up, they just let people out. So hopefully,
Oh, probably locked then.
no, they probably had service. And all the church people just left.
Man.
Forget.
Man. It's a class. Class. Watch it look like some hand make watch. But you know what the thing?
Burberry.
Yeah, but you want to know what all of them do? Then look, you see them do.
Yeah,
Just
they are.
watch. Okay. Burberry. Man.
This is Fifth Avenue where everyone like, oh, the rich area.
Yes, brother, you can see Canada Goose. Canada Goose.
This is big in the winter time, especially in New York.
Big. Yo. What's our again? 54.
And 5th.
54, 5th. What's going on there?
Oh, they got puppies. They got dog food. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I think we should buy
I don't believe it.
No, we don't breed. I'm not a breeder.
I have the girl.
I don't have the Instagram.
Read the brachioles.
Wow.
Take a picture and send it to Gina.
Yo, you want to put your pocket in a trouble? Put in your pocket into trouble. Beautiful.
What they going for?
Beautiful. How much you said it was
he
going
said
for?
3,500 for the gray and black one, and 3,300 for the other one.
It's expensive dogs, man.
I ain't sending Gina that picture, Gina. You
Better not change your
watch
mind.
this part,
No, you can't take it back, you know. Can't rub out.
I'm about to delete
You have to
this.
go send it.
3,500, that's a lot of money.
Hey, you see him joke my asked then. So the upper building catch fire, see?
Yeah.
And when the upper building catch fire, everybody stifle inside and dead.
Right.
Tell me why they dead.
Because they greedy.
No.
Why?
Go on again. Give you one more guess. So everybody in the upper store catch fire. The fire catch a store, but then the fire kill them, you know. Then stifle in there and dead. You know why?
Why? Because they ain't get no alert?
No.
Why?
They don't have no windows.
Okay, now.
Yeah. They don't have no windows in there.
Yo.
Ah, got him.
Yeah, you got me.
Yeah.
No windows.
There's no windows in the Apple store, bro. Oh, God.
Let's cross this way.
Oh, we're going the other side?
Oh, let's want to stay on this side.
Oh, yeah.
You got the church and then you
I
got...
just saw it Nike, but I'm going to the Nike store.
there- oh, you wanna
Yeah,
go
so
to Nike
probably
store?
gonna
Oh,
screw
yeah.
out. Oh, we have 15 seconds.
And every time, the white man.
Yeah, the white man. You have to work with the white man, you know?
Watch out for the white man.
The white man. Yeah. See white man there?
Yep.
Let's go.
That's all the blame on pregnant. So we'll play the next one.
Yes, brother. Survived. I will show this again.
So it's called Unukulo. It's
I
a
watched so
Japanese...
Chinese brand.
one of them. And from...
Yeah, brother. Yeah. So, we're going to see now the Nike store. The Nike store looks really interesting, Jason. Yeah, man.
I don't think I've ever been inside that.
Are we are saying, you never been inside there?
Yeah.
And you live here?
And I live here.
Easy, man. Nah, exploring, not just. So the Nike store. Across the road. I don't know why I go. I'm going to see white man and say nothing, so I'm not move. Look away. So,
Don't want to get hit by no car.
not at all. See the Nike store there. So we're going looking at the Nike store. Good? The Nike
So you out
store.
across the street like a New Yorker.
No, I'm New York, near jaywalk. We not get that the ticket then in Jamaica. Alright, so let's see what the Nike store has to offer. So inside the way, man.
Inside.
Nike here. It's beautiful, bro. This is a Nike store, Fifth Avenue.
His day.
This week at the exclusive Nike custom.
This one. Oh, even the shoes. Respect, bro. Yeah, that is it. Oh, the music things. Yeah, Nike store. Very. It is.
I thought this was somebody sitting here.
Let me know, tell them on. Mad thing. That is it. Nike store. Right, man. What's up, bro?
Hello?
It's great. So just giving a quick synopsis of what in the Nike store looks like. This was really interesting to me to see the glass on the side. And you can see outside, look at that. As you go up the stairs. Man.
New York sweets.
They have Nike fitted and stuff. Most of the ladies them wear them Nike this and them Nike that.
So I got 5 feet on it.
Oh. I'm just giving it an a synopsis inside here at the Nike stores. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Just take them all the way up. This is the women area over here.
Now because the music are playing, I'm not really gonna further, yeah. Just I give a quick look what it really looks like, yeah? Man. Outside.
Got the mic.
No, I mean I have the external one, that is it. You have one? Take out your one, let me see. If we can connect it. Mad. Let me see if we can connect and eliminate the copyright. In the Nike store with it. Check it out. It's beautiful. Find it? Let's see if we can connect this right up here. Oh, my brother has to sit there. Oh, yeah. Oh, check if you did. Alright, so we're not gonna further inside that Nike store still. But it nice. Just wanted to see synopsis of it. Nah, connect. Let me try that one. So the big Nike, you think I hike? Fifth Avenue. I like the style. Mad. The other one. Beautiful. Like when they do the entrance. The entrance just make you want shop. Yeah, respect. Alright. Back outside. See? So this is the glass for them that see through. Mad. Beautiful. Mad.
Well, and you know,
Mad.
To your right, he's gonna have a man holding the world on his back. Saw him yet?
What's that again?
A man holding the world on his back. Like the weight of the world on
I
his
see him
shoulders.
back.
It's called St. Patrick's Cathedral.
Can we go inside here?
Yeah.
Okay. Man. Where's it called? St. Catherine Cathedral.
Cathedral. St. Catherine Cathedral.
Oh yeah. A mad thing.
St. Patrick's Cathedral.
Oh, St. Patrick's.
St. Patrick's. And of the man holding the world on his shoulders.
I really empty though.
St. Patrick's Cathedral.
Man. It's beautiful. Let's go. Oh my word. Wow. Oh, on the real, if you see that video, yeah, yo, this is a St. Peter's Cathedral. I mean, I tell you, say, watch that video there on YouTube, Fifth Avenue, walking the entire Fifth Avenue in a Manhattan. Trust me, just to showcase some of the gems, them, you know. Wow. Select. Let's see this.
Patrick's could be.
It's fine. But something is actually going on. They're actually getting married. Yeah, like, and persons can just come in and watch as they like. This is different. So they're actually getting married, and people can just come in and just do what they're doing. Yeah. Great things.
Did you
I've been seeing some too. I can see.
So you insert your card, $50 offer, $25, $10.
Yeah, you see levels. Back on the street. The church is actually open and going on. The person is here praying. Everybody doing something. Yeah. Church is actually open. You see, we walked in and didn't get searched.
Yeah, you see that, right?
Yeah.
We got the exclusive pass.
That man said didn't get searched or anything. Wow, this is beautiful. That was a great experience to
was nice.
see. Yeah.
Now
to
we
see
can
what
talk
is
again,
there.
guys. That was nice.
Yeah. You know, we have to be a little bit lowered voices, yeah?
Because people praying in there.
People praying in there and all
Show
kinds of
respect.
good stuff. Yeah. Dale. Which street this original?
50.
50. Yeah.
50 and
50 and 5th.
Okay, this is another famous area over here. I'm gonna show you two. This is Saks Fifth Avenue. Huge. See how they have the Beetlejuice every year for Christmas? They set this up for Christmas lights. Remember the Christmas lights and the Christmas show? This is one of the stores that they hook up and they give you the whole Christmas experience. Beautiful. Over there, they show you, that's where Rockefeller Center with the big Christmas tree. Every year that they light up.
Yeah. That's over there.
Over there, and there's the ice skating ring over there too.
Is it open up to public? People can see?
Yeah. Across the street. I'm gonna have Fabian walk like a New Yorker across the street, right?
We want to see this shit. The dog shit in the road. Let's see if they're gonna pick up this motherfucker. So, I want to catch you picking up this shit. Scooped it up. That's messed up.
She didn't even do a good job. She's too much there on the floor. But come, this way.
Oh, that stink. That's the messed up part in the dog shit, funny girl.
It's Frank.
I have to take it up, bro.
That's a problem of having big dogs. No, you cross the street as a New Yorker. No,
If
come
I'm not
right
them
now,
about cross
just
it,
wait.
I gotta
Don't
pay a
wait.
ticket.
Yes. I'll pay your ticket, don't worry. But straight ahead, that's where the huge Christmas tree every single year.
one way or both two way? One way. So we're still on Fifth Avenue. That is it.
We're not coming off.
Free now, right now. It's free now. As I'm a short part
Down there, where you see that gold statue?
Yeah.
That's where the ice skate is. All this right here is normally ice.
What did you fill it up?
Fill it up with water and freeze it.
What do you mean? You mean the where?
Right here. All of this. Down there is the ice skating rink.
Yeah, so ain't those glass windows and stuff? I really don't understand what you mean.
I wish I could show you how they do it, but they fill this up with water and freeze it.
And it becomes an ice skating rink.
If anything, I'll send you a clip so you can plug it into your video so you can see.
Definitely, may I have to see that? That would be crazy.
F.A.O. Schwartz, that's a famous toy store for kids. I think in Home Alone.
And that me I wonder if that was the store that they went
remember the
in.
store with
Yeah.
the piano and they was walking on the piano and they.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
In
it.
there.
Yeah. You wanna go in there?
Yeah, where you say? In
wanna
there.
check it out?
Nice. Alright, now we can see right
Alright,
from
so
the
let's-
edge. And then we'll go in there. What a toy store name in Home Alone for real, man.
F.A.O. Schwartz. Remember
What the fuck
when
is-
a man at the end of the video and he saved the day and they were hiding out in the toy store?
Yeah, that me I said.
That's
Was it it?
That's it.
No, I will be like, I'll be at a and then I think where I'm at, like about 5, 6, pretty big.
Wow.
Alright, let's go in the toy store. I hope the music now play though.
This is 30 Rockefeller Plaza.
So we're where Kevin actually made the donation. And probably we spend it on something that will run his teeth. Yeah. So wow. Oh man, music up here. Let's hope it John out this. What is
Hi
this?
guys, how are you? This is our zip string.
What
Our
is
newest
this?
toy from Marvin's Magic. It's being propelled at 35 miles per hour and you can make your very own waves. So go ahead, try it. How cool is that? It comes in 3 different lengths inside the box. Small, medium, and super long. So let me show you the super long.
Wow. That's a great toy. Let's see.
Now this is
Look at
super
super long. Look at this. No, they're not.
Anyone want to go through it? Do you want to go through
Look at
it? You guys can go through it.
Go on, Jason.
Go ahead.
You're not adventurous. Go on through it.
Go ahead.
Good job. Yeah, you know, so we have to run through. Whoa, yo.
Yes.
That's a cool toy.
That is.
Now that's how you come down there, of course.
Man, that's a cool toy. Man.
Whenever this ring goes magic happens, I don't want to do any work because it's too much work. So tell me which cat should I
Showing a
throw?
magic trick.
Everything.
Look at that. What's you doing there?
That's all I do.
Oh, wow.
That's all I do, really. Touch your finger on top of it. We make the quarters appear. If I put the ring here, cover that up. That's where they go. Watch. They go into the cat. I show they're still there. Watch. You go. Make coins appear, disappear, teleport, solid metal, right through solid metal.
Te chiudo.
What if I don't have a table? My friend.
Così non ti riesce te.
Apri la mano.
Yarr. Watch. Tell her to close her fist.
Chiudi la mano.
Shake, shake, shake. You hear them, I hear them. And the camera should hear them too. Watch, I go like this. One more time. Open your hand. My friend, open your hand. Watch, watch, watch. Watch, and you can watch this back. You'll see it in real time. 5 quarters. We straighten them out. They go right under the cap. Make a fist. Give it a shake by your ear. Do you hear them in there?
Yes.
Good. I'm not hiding anything. Bring it down. Watch.
No.
Keep it shut and bring it
Shake,
down.
shake, shake.
Watch, watch, watch. 1, 2.
Guarda.
Open your hand. 5 quarters.
Wow.
A simple trick anyone can learn. The prop does 95% of the work. A tip? Thank you. So polite. Wow. I've received better tips than this. I've also received significantly worse, so I'm happy to settle somewhere in the middle.
Thank you, sir.
That's a great one.
Colin. Nice to meet you too. Thank you for watching.
Are you on Instagram?
Yes.
Can I give you a shout out?
Yes, Colin does magic. Colin with 1 L. One word. COLIN does magic. Thank you.
Wow, that was perfect. Wow, that was good.
Thank you very much.
A YouTuber, Jamaica Walk By.
All right, tag me in it then.
Yeah,
so
I
I can
will.
go see your stuff.
Yeah, respect.
Nice to meet
Wow,
you, my
that
friend.
was great. That was a neat trick.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
Fighter jet.
Fighter jet.
Good at it.
Wow, it's that stable.
We're inside.
Yeah, we inside. Yeah, it's pretty stable. Man.
Tell you what, no hands. Oh yeah, check this out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Beautiful. How much is something like this cost?
$75, and it comes with the free table hockey set. But yeah, it's a reinforced and very sturdy rubberized foam, so super compact, absorbent.
Wow. Can it be flown outside?
As long as there isn't strong wind.
Wind,
Yeah,
yeah.
we say as a rule of thumb for any toy drones like these, if you can throw a frisbee, you're fine flying your drone.
Alright, man. That's nice.
Let me show my
Wow.
hand. Show your hand. I can take light right from it.
I think it's really cool.
Your cool your brain, cool your cool hat. Anywhere. Oh, I'm sorry. Anywhere we want that light to go, it'll go.
Anyway, guys, bless up, man.
Now, you can learn it on its own if you don't want to do any hard stuff. This works especially if you have a little more time to recommend the box. The box is so good, it will teach you a lot more tricks. Open your hand like this.
What do we have here?
Give me your hand. Your hand?
Right?
Magic snow. Ready?
Right?
Put a little bit of water. A little bit of water. And you're making magic snow out of your shore. Really cool, huh?
Really cool.
Yeah. You can put it here. To take it off,
Oh
just
my
clap.
word.
It'll come back to powder form in 2 weeks. Con 2 semanas se hace polvo de nuevo.
It come back to
To powder, and then you add water, it'll go back to the snow. Do you want to try?
Wow. That's cool.
So it does a lot of work.
Try?
Being very sturdy and
Take it off? No.
Let us clap your hand and so on.
Ready? You want to do it again or no?
Oh, it's alright.
Okay.
I'm trying to get my friend here.
Alrighty. Ready? A little bit of water, regular water, and you made magic snow out of your shore. There you go.
Wow, look at that, guys.
2 weeks, it'll go back to powder.
Wow.
You could just clap here and it'll come off. You want to try?
Wow.
Thank you.
That's super cool. Nice. Jason,
Yo.
that's a cool thing that make you feel like a kid.
Like a kid again, this whole store. You got drones, you got cars, you got...
Look at he's flinging stuff and it's coming back to him. Look at that. What the heck?
This towards the next level.
What the heck? Do that again.
It's all in the flick of the wrist.
Right back. Look at that. Man. That's cool. This is a really nice toy store, bro. Really nice toy store.
This is what they specialize in. This ain't little bear.
Yeah. Man, let me see what's on the other side. Mad. What is down there?
What did you eat on
Let's see what is here. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. It's okay. Oh, this is not blocking your view. Jason, couldn't Jamaica? Couldn't Jamaica? People just love you with a camera and just.
No, you just talking about me sweating. Look at yo, the camera needs to go.
Oh my word.
Teddy bear. This is how they build a bear.
Teddy bear section.
This is where they build bears.
That's it. Teddy,
Yeah, teddy bear.
lion, dog, bear.
Well, I guess you choose like how she has. You choose your style, and then they fill it up.
Wow.
all kinds of different options. If y'all have any questions or need help, feel free to ask me, okay?
All right, thank you
You're welcome.
so much.
Is that a camera?
Yeah.
This tiny little thing?
Yeah, it's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and it have a large screen. And
That's so cool.
and it's stable. It
Wow.
look like I'm gliding right now. If I hold it like this will observe the motion of my walking like this.
Oh my god. Wait,
So-
what do you call this thing?
The DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
DJ Osmo Pocket
3.
3.
Without everything, that's what. Small like this.
That's super cool.
Very nice.
How much does it cost?
It depends on the package that you take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so anywhere from like maybe 3 to
Up to 600, 700. Really nice.
You're gonna say 3 to 6,000.
Nah. It's not. It's just a vlogging camera, but it's very beautiful.
yeah for our
Very
YouTube
beautiful.
videos.
Yeah. YouTube. All right. This is all for the toy store. This is a really nice store. Oh, here is the sponges.
That's a stuffing for the teddy bear.
I'll be too boom.
Wow, look at that big one.
All right.
Oh look, they're gonna show us up.
Say again?
They're about to fill up a bear. Show you how.
You can see his mommy and daughter. Get a chance to see their own view. Wow, how cool is that? Oh, she's gonna seal it now, Jim.
Rub it down with love.
Yeah.
Some love right there.
Wow.
If you had a suitcase, I would have sent you back with Talia.
Man, I probably do, but let's see.
Guys, make a big dish.
Wow. Great job. Oh, I guess I said taking the stairs. Oh, can I come on? There's something.
I'll put
Inside. May I can squeeze up.
Yep.
That is it.
That is it. Okay, look. NBC Studios, you ever heard?
Big famous
on TV?
news.
Yep. NBC.
Rainbow Room NBC. Man. Yeah. Outside again.
Outside.
That was really nice. Kids them should close their eyes when them a pass.
Right. Don't even walk them past here.
New York City. Real New York.
You still got energy to walk in Brooklyn, right?
Eh? What do you mean? A couple days now, you know?
They don't call me walk by for nothing.
No, brother. So we're going back on 5th.
Yeah, back on 5th.
Head down. Rasta man. That is it.
Baby love.
Remember, anything you say or will be used against you in the court of law and Jamaica walk by.
Say it again, man. Yeah, go with me. Yeah, we're still heading down. When we get to like 34th Street, we're gonna hop on the train. Are you gonna meet us on 18th or you want us to come to the house? I'm gonna ask you. And I'll let you know before we get on the train. So what you feel like doing? You want to take a break when we get to Brooklyn and go to the house, or you want to just continue to walk?
Not even sure which one rather. Which one rather.
Now, what you want to do is this video for you. Your memory.
So far. Over there. So if you're just joining, massive, I ask you to subscribe. Don't just watch, subscribe. Please turn on your notification too as well. You understand? You know me, I walk with Jason, you know, from Jason and Gina. So you know the link I go there in the description so you can subscribe to him channel. Wow, we just walk through Manhattan. 5th Avenue. Straight. H&M cross the road. So we see who don't know, no one don't know.
Over here, this man over here, this is the bag that you can find.
Yeah, man. The African them no play.
This is one of them famous Lululemon.
Lululemon, what is it? A clothes store?
Yeah.
What do we do?
Your cards given?
Huh?
Your cards.
Cards?
Yeah.
No. No, actually get them this time. No, you know, but we never get the DVD. Because I have so much more to play. But all I want them we normally have done. Yeah.
cost them and go something.
That is it, man. For real. Which street we there now?
Fifth Ave.
Yeah.
47.
Think I down there so we da go and go so we go on the train we go back to church with them. The market with the building there. Yeah, me just remember it. Man.
We gotta go to 42nd.
Yeah. I wanna road again. Beautiful. Manhattan. Yeah, Latin.
But if you would have now I know you don't have your cards. I'm gonna tell people to subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. Like all them people in FAO shorts, they would have subscribed. City bus.
Yeah. Travel money yesterday.
You gonna hop on one of them. Get the Brooklyn.
Nuts for nuts. What is this?
It's peanuts. But you see how it smells? It smells like it tastes very good, right? It smells. You're just trying to show the nuts, not you.
Bro, so what if I buy me that go buy?
We're not showing you though. We just showing
Yeah,
the
but
nuts.
you can't do that on the thing, but you
can't do that.
You have to
You
come
can't
off
do
the
that.
street. Yeah, everybody now go buy, you have to come off the street then.
See?
Now you might make me video him. You're a fool.
Can't do that. You can't do that.
Yeah, you have to come off the street then. You know, so me just not tell us hold the camera, let me buy.
Yeah,
It
no,
smells
you
good. I
wouldn't.
wanted to try it.
See, but that's how.
That's the first one I've ever seen. It looks stupid.
Yeah. You get no support right there.
Yo, I give you a camera for bike. I say, I want to try it. I say coconut and thing. I eat that man. Imagine Jamaica. Rougher than that.
He just waved his hand and did the radio.
Go on the moon. Oh, yeah. That's the first one I've ever seen or something like that over here though. Yeah, with that guy there, yeah.
They all over.
No, I mean
That you see?
the attitude.
Oh, attitude like that.
It's the first one.
That means that he got something to hide. That's why.
Exactly. Oh, we can't go.
Nope. That's the NBA store.
Gotta do this. remember Massive, if you just join, actually I walk with Jason from Jason and Gina.
You done now.
They have a YouTube channel too as well. Yeah. So remember to go over to him channel and subscribe. You don't know, link in the description. You understand? We are never going to chill for the whole weekend. You understand, Massive? Martin. No joke.
We outside.
5th Avenue. Listen, we're outside, Jason. How far? 5th Avenue. Yeah, going that way. Down
To the bottom of Manhattan.
Yeah? To the bottom, about a couple miles.
Way over a mile, like at least 5-6 miles. 5th Avenue will go all the way uptown to Harlem and go all the way to the South Street, to the end of, to the bottom of Lower
Which
East
one is
Side.
that go?
This is a scaffolding, so
Oh,
it looks like we're going inside somewhere, right?
you know, tell them, man.
That means they building up this building right here.
Yeah.
Exactly.
The route. Man.
North Face.
What kind of place is this?
North Face. They got all them jackets, boots. I'm blind. What's up, that?
Yeah.
That's a lady boy.
Man, that. Sarah.
So they say now 42nd Street.
Jason, plug this in for me. Can it, I have more than one port? Anything? Or just
Take the one off.
work straight, right? Yeah, man, good.
That's a different wire.
Oh, want the iPhone? Oh, you have no. Oh, you're. Oh, yeah. So want the. Oh, you have the old one. Alright, that's.
I gotta charge it like this.
Yeah.
You got a wire in
Now,
your
smart.
back?
We're supposed to have a.
plug it up to the
Oh, let me see
back.
if we can find the smart one.
I thought about trying to go today.
Alright, hold this one.
not the biggest library in New York.
Man, it's massive. It's massive. Good?
Still not charging. This thing probably not even.
It's not dead.
Probably might be dead. I'll see no light. It's on a charger?
Oh, it's not charging. That's on the one you got?
Yeah, man. Said about the other one.
Those drain out quick.
No, that's a cheap one I just bought.
Getting a llama for me. You're getting a llama.
To them fruits probably taste like fruits.
That's the phone you go live from?
Yeah.
This phone right here? That
Yeah.
one? So we definitely got to stop back home. Just stop in and pick up the battery pack.
Oh, sure. Me having on my bag going.
Battery pack.
Come in. I can do it. Let's go down to That's this? So yeah, we're still on Fifth Avenue, and it's just booming with life. People are moving back and forth like crazy. I think it's my first time down this far.
Yeah? Because you normally stop over there about 40 seconds.
Right.
And that's where you got the train.
Yeah. That's 40 seconds straight.
We're going to 34th and then we're going to hop on the train.
It's funny. Next time I fill up the comment section with beer. People talk about that. And them are just trying to find some. Can't stop now, man.
No fish, no fish smoke, okay? No fish smoke.
What's up?
You got the vibe, guys.
Yeah, man. I just, when I walk over here, it just seems like it's still a dream. I used to have crazy visions of doing
Come
this.
in
You
here
know?
one day, right?
Never just coming here one day, but I used to have crazy vision of doing this. Walking in Manhattan and New York, and then to see all of it come true, kinda make me wonder if me actually did I see the future.
Yeah.
Like seriously.
Dreamed it into reality.
Yeah, I've been a dream. But they play so much time, bro. That looks delicious.
You hungry?
Me that one if me have a wait till we go over, so me have done snacks while me go with them on the train. When we reach over, so most can find so.
Yeah,
Don't you?
definitely. We're gonna go into some spot. Give you some Brooklyn jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. I'm not really fond of foreign. I eat regular food like I'm going to eat a Jamaica and bro. I don't do something there. Me eat the stuff them most when I eat a yard.
So what you gonna eat here now?
I'm going to try to find something. That's why I say, I see how there's a problem. Meow meow. They have. We just mash it up, you know.
You want some Chinese food? When you talk about
I tell you, man. Real Jason.
yeah, man.
In a real
the
life.
flesh.
From Jason and Gina. So now I always see them in the chat. Jason and Gina. You subscribe to him channel. No joke, no
This
doubt.
weekend
massive.
is gonna be a movie.
Oh God.
Just getting
Did I
started.
tell them? Yeah, look at I go downhill now. This is beautiful.
When I was walking up to the club, like, oh, yeah, this is
So, so far down there, see that far from? Oh God. That is it, bro.
Yeah, we're at 44.
Bro's a yard man.
Right, we're coming up on the Empire State Building. So the promo.
The Empire State Building. Massive.
Come, go this way. Because we're going to the train. Alright, so.
Wait. So, if we go straight.
Go straight,
Yeah.
it's going to the lower Manhattan. Over here, West 34th is where Madison Square Garden is. And the train.
The train.
Anyhow, we walk past this, we gotta walk all the way to.
And come back.
Yeah.
Anyhow, we pass here, so we have to go around and come back.
Unless we walk all the way down to the further train station. This over here, we can find all the trains back to Brooklyn. Over here is not going.
Alright.
So we can stay on this side of the road. You want to show them Empire?
Yeah, man. That is it. Nothing is wrong. So we just come off a 5th now.
This is 5th right here. Yeah. That's
So
34.
let me just make it clear. So massive, we're just gonna detour from 5th Avenue right now and we are head on. This one is West 34. See?
Heading to Broadway.
We are head to Broadway. Cause you know we soon forward to an end of the video. You know what I mean? So that was like a massive tour of 5th Avenue. Oh my word, over 2 hours long. So we're there about 2 hours and 30 odd minutes now. And we're still moving. So we just move off of 5th and we are heading to West 34th Street.
And to your left, you have the Empire State Building.
Man. Empire State Building. Mad thing.
On 34th Street is where you can find the world's largest Macy's.
World largest Macy's.
Yeah, it's called Herald Square Macy's. They even have a McDonald's inside of Macy's.
They have a McDonald's in a Macy's. Beautiful. Mini film crew. I want you to search on YouTube, see if I see live walking in Manhattan or something. Can you do that?
There's a guy named, that's all he does, is go live and walk around.
Yeah. I always want them on.
Live walk on Wall Street walk.
I remember one of them page. but if you get them, nice. This one be beautiful. Well, I'm sorry for some of my people that when I get to experience this. But I tell you, say, most of the persons that will go get the chance, oh God, them are gonna love it.
But at least you bring the people there.
Right.
Look, we got that have Kalia.
The Kylie.
Yeah. Let's see the tan ones.
Wow. Another H&M.
World's largest store. This is where it get busy now.
Oh man, them are going bad now, brother. Them are smell nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try one of them. I like that bacon something with the cheese. That New York cheese steak.
Yeah.
I wonder how much is it. I'm feeling I'm gonna try that. How much is the New York cheese steak? What is it?
You said 13? $13.
Alright, we can get one please. Should I take out them card? You have to take your camera off it because credential.
My pickle.
Yeah. Yeah, always. Yeah, New York cheese steak. Excuse me. What else is good?
I don't know, we're just trying it.
You're just trying it?
Yeah.
It's been killing my nose. I'm actually filming, so I'm being experienced. Yeah, where are you guys from? From New York. I never tried this.
I'm from Russia.
Oh, you're from Russia. That is it. Seal it? Yeah. Can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube? I'm actually doing a video right now. If you want to see how beautiful you guys is, you're gonna see it on Jamaica walk by. Yeah, so you're from Russia. English?
Yes.
You speak it well? I don't speak it well. Yeah.
So he just came to New York the other day. I live in New
I'm
York.
from Jamaica.
He's from Jamaica. It's good to meet you.
Ever been to Jamaica? You should. Yeah, man, you should.
So,
Yeah.
you know, subscribe is free. You know, it doesn't hurt.
Nice.
And
I'm trying to get to my 200,000 subscriber.
After this weekend, we're gonna hit 200K.
Yeah, definitely.
Guaranteed.
Are you gonna go to the West Indies parade?
Sorry?
The parade
The Labor Day parade?
in Brooklyn. Labor Day parade.
I don't know.
Ah,
Brooklyn.
man.
It's on Eastern Parkway.
On Instagram, I can support Instagram. Yeah. Well, you have my thing.
I'm gonna show you your Instagram page.
Because it's when I post them, I can actually just tag her. And like even in my story and say, hey, look who is in the video. Yeah. So how is it over there in Russia? I can't wait to visit.
If you can, it's hard to get over.
I'm hoping I can get to do it because
And this is him on Instagram. Jamaica. Same
yeah,
thing.
where's my phone? Can you take it off for me? I want to can I catch your expression like Kingston? Are you gonna try it right here? Are you gonna take it off? Oh, I'm gonna take it off. Yeah. Let me see. What's your Instagram? Yeah. You can connect. And if you have any friends have a business who wants to share it, I can share it. Yeah. Even if you want to collaborate, you can just post it and ask me to collaborate and I'll just accept it and it'll be on my page because I have a large following. Yeah. Oh, this is you? This is your page? Yeah, just open it.
Brand new.
Man. there's nothing for me to save. I'm gonna lose your page is gonna be
Trust me,
lost.
like this video right now is gonna have over 100,000 people watch.
Easily. Maybe in the first week or so.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Alright, let me just say hey. So I don't lose your page. What about you? Let me see if I can find your page. I always have to come here. Let me refresh it. Sasha. Alright. You mind if I give your Instagram a shout out on the channel? Or yeah, no. Or she looks like she used her you use yours. So this is her Instagram. Very beautiful young lady. This is her Instagram. You can support her and say you see her in Jamaica walk by in the famous Manhattan. Yeah. It's nice. Jamaica nice. Just come prepared for the sun.
Okay.
Yeah. What about you? You don't used to the sun, I'm sure about that.
I used
The sun, we have a lot of sun in Russia. I know Russia is
I'm
out.
not from Moscow, so I'm like from the south.
Oh, so it is Moscow that is actually
I
cold.
mean, it's the biggest country. I'm not from the Moscow, I'm from the south.
From the south.
Okay. See, I'm learning something new.
Yeah. And you're a New Yorker.
Yeah.
Brooklyn or
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn? Yeah, it's Brooklyn.
Yeah.
That is it. Love the vibe over there. Yeah, that's me? Alright.
I'll hold this for you real quick.
Yeah. I'm always having the camera, bro.
See, now I'm gonna get you on camera, bruh.
Look good. Look for me. Outside in them town like I'm in yard. That's all you getting? Yeah. Oh my word. So what do you think about Manhattan? Beautiful? It's so beautiful. He's seen it every day. Jealous. You get to be Jamaica. You get to be here every day. Free AC outside. The AC is free outside. In Jamaica. You gotta pay, man. Looks good.
All right, guys. Yep. Later. Thank you guys for subscribing. What you got there?
Thank you. Alright, respect.
Put away the Federal Reserves.
I also
we go. Our road. Make sure so you sanitize.
Show them the panel.
Come here, let's see it. I try. Kinda want to give me a
Give it a rating. You seen the man's face?
but this is good. This is really good.
Yeah.
Really good. And then the hungry to make it worse. Just so good. Come on, listen, you guys need to try this.
Delicious.
Try this. Now, bro. Try this. Oh my word. Oh my God. Oh, it's too light. Oh my. Wow. Oh my word. You should try this. Definitely.
Look at that, quick.
Good. Really good.
So guys, right in front of Macy's on 34th and 6th Avenue.
This is where you are every day?
Every day right here, guys. Show them some love. Show them some love, guys. Cheesesteaks are banging.
Come on, brother.
Yeah, brother.
Oh, that's the brother?
How are you?
Good.
This is Java. It's very, very fantastic. Good.
It's good.
Thank you,
Look.
brother.
Thank you.
Every car halal nice food.
Alright.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh, look. The man waxed off to something.
But
He said he was hungry, but he wasn't playing. You need to refill for the next step of the journey.
but
I feel like we just
what?
Oh, that's your friend? That's your friend over there?
Hello.
No, guys, so even over here you have lamb over rice. Look,
God know that.
yeah, that was in less than 5 minutes. The
This
man.
remind me of something back in the days when we used to have like meatloaf, but not.
It's a Philly cheesesteak.
It tastes better than meatloaf.
Yeah.
So it's like the meatloaf with cheese, with
Bread and
the bread soft,
that's what I was saying. And look at
nice,
it.
and then it warm. You know what I mean? So, Ooh, really good. I'm glad. I'm happy I stopped. It did it. Yeah, man, it did it. There's a bit. Have a bit. Oh my word. Massive. That was delicious. Yes, that is good. At least
It smells good too.
yeah, I'm glad to find something where me actually can try
Yeah, and enjoy it.
and then no say bad. So you are anytime me in a man that know me can search with something like this.
Yeah.
Which way we go down there?
I'm trying to think. Should we take the queue?
Reggae boy. You're Jamaican? Oh, that is it, you know. Come on, Jamaica walk by. You understand? Big up every time, no, man. Look good.
Ready for Labor Day.
Yeah. Oh, you mean? I should make sure I have my kerchief, so you don't heal me. You should have healed me when I see kerchief, man. That's why me heal you first. Big up every time, man. One reggae boy. Oh, you mean? Big up all of my Jamaican them right across the world, easily. Yeah, man.
We're getting lively now.
Oh, you mean? Outside.
YouTube?
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, but you should subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Jamaica Walk By. Man, I'm only here for a few days. All right, Jason, put it in real quick. Yeah. You're gonna see this video. I've been walking 5th Avenue. I just turned off on 34.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it, man. Got it?
Subscribe.
Turn on the notification.
Put it on the back.
Yeah, man, every time, man. What if you don't click the right there?
Yeah, she got the O. She got O.
Right there. And that's it. Thank you. I don't post that much, so
This video
we're gonna
coming
see a
out
good
soon.
video.
All right.
Respect, one love, man.
Leave
That
a
is
comment
it.
if you watch it.
All right. Nice. Yeah. I'm mad thing.
Okay, so this is the Macy's. I think you might have seen this video when we did all the Christmas lights and they had all the windows.
Oh, it was right here.
Right here.
I can't wait to see it for myself, bro. That made me say, at then time I decide, so yep, December.
And they have
We're
all
gonna
the
see us again.
displays showing all the Christmas.
I hear. It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
Big up Gina.
Big up, yo, you took the words right out of my mouth. Big up, Gina.
Gina, big up yourself, man. That was awesome. Oh, you mean?
That was our first real touch. So you know what? Maybe we can actually do this thing.
Maybe. John. Outside.
You gonna film all the way? I'm gonna show you.
Yeah,
So
man.
over there, that is 34th Street, Madison Square Garden. That's where the Knicks play basketball.
Oh, you know, I really know nothing more.
But the people in your chat, you're gonna
Yeah.
be like, oh, that's where the Knicks play. That's where it is. That's where it's concerts.
That's where
everywhere.
that billboard, where the billboard
Where
is.
the billboard is.
Oh,
And they just renovated the inside, so you're gonna see the brand new Madison Square Garden.
man.
And then we're gonna go down to the subway. I work 2 blocks that way.
Crocs.
French fries.
Then I go so. Oh, different language that. I was gonna say, if she's taking a picture, I mean both of them are in one.
And this is what I was telling you about. If you want to go to the festival, you go straight down there, and you're gonna see it. But we might say that for tomorrow.
Yeah, say yo, John won't start it.
We're gonna cross this way.
That steak, cheese steak sandwich, the boy.
Don't worry, we got a nice long ride to Brooklyn.
Sorry, my name buy one next one. That was $13. That was a good $13 spend. Believe me. We're gonna go straight or we're going cross?
Crossing.
Oh, subway. As in the food place or the subway station?
Subway station.
Alright. What about you?
Fixing to hit the lights.
Light change?
Yeah. See, and show them that way, that's 42nd Street, where all the billboards and lights are.
So that we're Times Square.
That's Times
That
Square,
way.
right there.
Which way we're going? Left?
Yeah, let's go left.
She don't watch TV. She don't watch TV. She don't watch TV.
People out here is a little bit different now.
Yeah, I realized.
Yeah, this is where the mix come in. Remember when I was telling you about the migrants, how they come to New York?
Yeah.
They have a big hotel over there.
Wow.
So this is where we're going down.
Madison Square
Penn
Garden.
Station, yeah, Penn Station. This is where we get the Long Island Railroad and all the trains.
Yeah, man, it's beautiful.
I can't believe I really just did that.
We're going down this.
Just on the track. What time is the train?
Take a picture of you?
What time is the train?
No specific time. It's in my friend.
Mad. Alright.
Go to Brooklyn. Brooklyn, we know how. From here, you can take a train to California, Chicago. You go that way, and there's a railroad station. You go to Florida from here.
Yeah. Oh, look.
This place here, you can get lost easy.
Easy.
Me, I come here all the time and I'm still trying to remember, like, hold on. No way.
There's a piece of place down here. All right.
Truck 21.
So even, so those where you see 1 to 21, that's for the railroad. For the railroad. they still have the subway, regular subway to take you to Brooklyn, Manhattan. Yeah, got lost. I already got
Yeah, but actually,
some more.
if you ask whole heap of question.
I'm gonna pay for you to go in. You ever got a windshield car? Oh, you know?
They have one in but you know that's supposed to done now.
Alright. 3 minutes. I'm gonna swipe you in.
Oh,
So look, you use this, and then you tap right here. Go ahead.
how much is it?
290.
290. What number train again?
3.
Number 3. How do you know it's number 3 train? Oh, but I see Mr. 3 on the glass. What's the difference?
This is going uptown to Harlem.
Oh, so you want going this way? Oh,
Yeah, it's a downtown express though. They show you tunnel. Remember yesterday, that only train's supposed to be in 40 seconds. This one is real time. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. The Church Avenue.
Church Avenue.
Yeah.
Take me to Church Avenue too. One at a time.
You want more Church Avenue? It's been a giant. Yeah, that's cool. You can take the 2. You can take the 2 or the 3.
Oh, you're gonna go on this?
Closing doors, please.
Yeah, go on this. I'm more empty a car than left. Yeah, so that was the end of, oh my god, wow, a long walk of 5th Avenue. I don't know, I don't see the walks, I'm link up with Jason and Gina YouTube channel, but I'm Jason and Gina not there.
Coming, guys, coming.
So now go see Gina and Jason together in a few more videos forward. So big up every time. Thank you so much for watching the video. It was just amazing. Now with them on a number 2 train, I go over there in a Brooklyn. So you know go normal. So one love and watch out. When you watch thus far, that means that you're supposed to like already, you're supposed to subscribe already, and you're supposed to drop about 1 million comments in the comment section. You see me, I said, mad love, no joke, no doubt, man, no? That's great. Anything you want to say?
Just show love. Make sure you subscribe to Fabian, guys. Jamaica walk by all day. We outside.
Even that. All you mean, so stay tuned for the next video. See? That is it. And let's go this way outside, brother. On the train. Look good.
Look good, no man.
This is 14th Street. Transfer is available to the 1, F, L, and